Hello there, I just want to show you what's on the screen right now. As you see, the silver price is like $26 and 33 cents right now. And the gold is almost $2,000. Wow. Question is, should I move some of my silver stock? And I purchase it like around $14 to $15 an ounce? Or should I wait a few more days or or a week? Because right now the silver price is really going up so fast, very fast. I think I'm just gonna wait a few more days or a week or so. Let's see what's gonna happen during this week, or at the end of this week. What's gonna be like the price? Because right now it's only Monday, and last Friday it was like a little bit over $24. But once the market opened, the silver is like exploding, the price of silver, and now it reached $26.33. That's why I'm just gonna move probably some of my stock, but not some of these, only some of these, just like the generic bars like this one, the Buffalo, but some like Engelhart, I'll probably keep it. Of course, the American Eagle, I'm not gonna sell them. I'm gonna keep it no matter what, because most of this silver that I have here, I purchased it when the silver price was like $14, $15 per ounce US, and I believe I purchased it more than 500 ounces. Some maybe 40% of that 500 ounces are generic rounds and bars. So I have like about 200 ounces of generic silver bars and rounds that ready to go to to my coin shop. Let's see what's gonna happen if they gonna buy it with this spot price per ounce. I don't know, I thought I make a short video about it, and if you would like to comment what you want to do right now, please do. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Take care. Bye for now.